Hey guys, it's Sam from Inventables. Today I'm going to show you how to run your first job on your Up Mini. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up your Up Mini, take off any protective wrapping it might have had on it, and then you're going to want to go into the small cardboard box that was in the packaging and pull out this extruder head. The extruder head has a motor on it. It has a nozzle on it, it has a fan, and this is what actually heats up the filament, and it comes out right through this nozzle. So what's really nice about what they did with the Up Mini is that there's this carriage here that's already assembled on the rod, and then this snaps in with magnets right into place. So the right orientation, if you're facing the machine, is to have your fan to your left and the nozzle facing down. And it should just snap in with these magnets until it feels right, until it feels like sturdy, and you can move it without it jiggling around. Then you're going to take this rainbow cord here and plug it right into the top. And you're all set with that as far as the assembly goes. The next step is to take out your cell board, and these cell boards actually are what your print prints out on. So these perforations in the board allow the filament to sink in when it is producing a raft, and then it can print without moving or wobbling around, and it's a really great tool for keeping it sturdy, and it's a great alternative to some tapes that other printers use. So when you feel your cell board, there's going to be a smooth side and then a side with a little bit of texture. You're going to want to place the cell board into this bed with the textured side up, so smooth side down. And what's nice about this is this is actually spring loaded, so you kind of just place it underneath these two metal extrusions and slide it in until it's lined up. And that's sturdy, it's not going anywhere. And you're going to want to always print on one of these things. It should come with a couple of them. The next step is to find the 3D printed filament holder. So what's cool about this part is that these files are available online, so you could just download it if you lose it, if you want to change the scale, or if you just want it in a different color. So this plugs in right into the back. There's a little hole here, and there's a lip on the back side of this, and you just put that on there. Your machine also comes with a free 700-gram spool of white ABS plastic. It's unmarked, but it is white ABS, so this just fits right on here, and then you're going to want to find where your filament starts. Comes with this tube. Slide the tube over the filament. And what this tube is for is really when you feed it through the machine that it doesn't get discolored or banged up or anything like that. It also kind of helps to keep your spool from unraveling. And I'm just going to place this in the top, nowhere in particular, just to give it a place to sit for right now. So the next step is to turn your Up on. So the way you do that is you have your power supply here, plug it into your machine, plug it into the wall, and then on the back there's a power switch. And when you flip that, this red light should come on in the box. But that's just showing you that there's power being sent to the machine. To turn the machine on, you're going to want to hold down the button until it beeps. So it's going to start going through a warm-up sequence once you do that. And I know that the beeping at first can be kind of alarming, but that's the sound that the Up makes whenever something is going right. So it's actually a good noise. So it beeps again when it is done with its sequence, and then that is your cue to be able to open up your Up software in the computer. So it's compatible with PC or Mac. You can download all of the software for free at the PP3DP website. The next step is to take your USB cord that comes with your Up Mini, plug it into the side over here, and then plug it into your laptop. And the next step is to load the filament into the extruder head. To do that, we're going to have to go into the software.